I'll give me alone.
Yo, yeah. Bobby, come and meet me in my chamber.
Good afternoon.
Dioye, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Dioye,
Yes, sir.
I called you. And you know why I called you. You see, all your kurukere waka with different women for this area, you know how they see am. Orí tá a fi ṣèwé ò kúrò níbẹ̀. Àgbà wa búra bí we ò bá ṣe ọ́ rí. Nothing you do in this community that I will not see. And look at you now. Now, housewife, now you dey chook eye for. Now you dey follow for back. When we were like you those days, in 1952, I have a friend who also have another friend. Oloti Atalagbere, now working together. This friend of mine I'm telling you about, he likes women so much. You want your own case to be like your own case. But before then, I will tell you about his case.
May your days be long.
Sit down.
I will sit. Don't
Wait till this.
Don't ask me whether I give you anything. You take. Don't ask me anything. Take it. If you cannot take this thing, how can you survive this life?
That is street.
Dagunro, wetin happen? Wetin? I no see anything.
You know see.
I no see anything.
You know see Opengere.
She greet us and she go. Wetin come happen?
You know see that Opengere.
I dey dance. You come because of that one. Stop the meeting.
See, I want to talk this thing.
This one?
Like.
You don't kill yourself. You see this woman? I know her husband very well. The husband no dey Nigeria.
I want chopper.
Oh, the husband no dey Nigeria at all. He dey outside country.
I must chopper.
See, you know say you be my friend, huh? You no wan make I no wan make you die.
Which
and you no go die. Me Kuma, I no go die.
That one.
Don't go there.
See, let me tell you. The orientation I have is different to your home.
You get orientation, right?
Yes. But this thing.
You get one, you know, say I get one Yoruba friend before. He say now when small pikin take out like this, they know.
Get shot!
You know they know
Get shot! Hey, get shot! Get shot! Don't tell me that one. This thing, I must eat them.
What if your son name?
Forget about that.
I will deny you.
You know, the orientation you dey give me that time.
The orientation was, you know follow am.
You follow am.
You know that you go clap.
No any orientation you give me that I no follow now.
I don't tell you what to do. You just say, and doesn't concern me. I no go talk.
See, not be today me and you dey now.
Me, I don't tell you waiting and waiting here.
Any instruction you give to me, I dey follow am now.
I say this woman.
You're welcome. I said.
God go bless you. Go la ye je. Ibo ni ati nje wo. Kaduna na bi kanu. Adagun e go bless you. No, I don't tell you. Mama, give me beer. I tell you, don't go there. That woman husband there abroad. Na married woman. And you say you won't go. If you like yourself, go. If you don't like yourself, go again. I no go tell you again. No, say, make you no go. No, oh, I pity you. You get up now. Don't worry, I get it.
See, Let me tell you one thing.
I didn't hear.
Anything you say make I do,
Yes.
I go do am. But me and them dey tell you about the nyash. E go do nyash.
Idare.
E dey go do.
No be idare be this one.
Which e dey already.
Wetin?
As you dey talk, come I dey hear you. If na woman you need, I will give you better woman. Dem plenty o, more than 100. They get front and back. No dey follow married woman. It's very dangerous for you. Aba, no dey follow.
Wetin concern you about my matter? Me and my friend dey talk.
I like your life o.
Go kill you. Don't say make I no worry. Make I no worry for what? I go break your head.
Eh?
No breaker.
I say I go break your head.
No breaker.
No,
Wetin concern
come.
you about my matter?
Wetin
Come.
concern me?
Wetin concern you about my matter?
Come,
Let me
come.
break the bottle.
If you want break bottle, move come.
Come.
I don't want to sit down here again.
Aṣẹ́wó man.
I don't mark your face.
Aṣẹ́wó
I don't
man.
mark your face.
Don't worry.
Dey follow married woman up and down. They go kill you one day. Aṣẹ́wó.
You love me. That your orientation will kill you. You don't take that. I dey tell you. You don't want hear, man.
Come, my friend. Sit down. Leave me.
No,
Leave me. No, leave me. Let me go. Don't worry. Hello. Auntie, please come. Come. Please, Auntie. That your friend. Please help me to beg him. I like your friend well. I beg you.
You see that?
Well.
You see that, my friend? Na married woman.
Somebody don't tell me, but maybe the husband no dey around.
Your husband dey outside country.
Let me make I dey do the thing before.
I no go gree for you. I know my friend very well. I no go gree for you. No be that kind of person.
I
no go gree for you.
I beg you.
But I fit find another person for you.
Don't find another person for me.
Na this one.
This one.
This one na go near area. You know the gree.
Wetin I need? Wetin I dey tell you say I need? Na this thing. Na that one I need.
Na that one you need. No, I know say you no get sense. You no get sense o.
Agbalagba.
Agbalagba wey no get sense. Agbalagba wey dey find wetin no be your own. Na your own.
Lie.
No be your own now.
Okay, no wahala. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀? Ọ̀rọ̀ tí màá yẹn bá ẹ sọ lánàá kò wá jẹ́ kí n gbọ́n kankan nípa ẹ̀. Ó tiẹ̀ bá sọ fún ọ̀wọ́ just enter and keep it to yourself. I don't understand o. How are you my girl? I don't understand o. Àbí máa yẹn títú kọyọ ẹnu sí wọn náà ni.
Rárá o, ìkọyín sí mi o. Lórí tí ń hàn ní.
Lórí ìdí ta ni.
Ọlọ́run yín fẹ́ mi.
Ẹjẹ́ máa yọ tán.
I love you, but I told you say you are married. Say no. Say ọ̀rọ̀ dọ́dọ́dọ́dọ́ o. Ìyẹn gangan ni òun fẹ́ o.
Forget about this man matter. It's very useless man. I don't have this one. It's very useless man. That is what I just have to tell you. Be very careful.
The more kalẹ̀ bí. Ẹ fún mi chance.
Abeg keep quiet. Forget about those two.
Okay.
How do we go now?
Fẹ́ sáré ra nǹkan lọ́dọ̀.
There's no problem now. Mi ò fẹ́ dé junction mo fẹ́ fún tailor laṣọ ni. Kí n dey get it from him. Ìtura rà ní ọ̀la. Okay.
He was looking for every means to get this woman. He's ready to do anything to get this woman we are talking about. But what was his results?
What do you want from me?
Adídẹ́gbé awolé alára òdìmọ̀dìmọ̀ àwọ̀ ìjèrò nígbà tó ń tìkọ̀lé ọ̀run bọ̀ wá síkọ̀lé ayé wọ́n rúbọ epo wọ́n rúbọ ẹja òrófó wà ń bẹ̀ ẹ̀yin ìyá mi wetin I want for this morning you must bring am.
Chibi Baba wo.
Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ̀ jẹ́ kó. Why you dey shout my name?
Why I no go shout your name?
You dey mad? You dey shout like that?
I dey mad?
Wetin happen?
Take your ring.
You throw the ring back to me. O lé àwọn ìyá lórúkà.
The ring you give me no work.
How do you mean the ring no work?
I say e no work.
What do you mean e no work? How did you use the ring? How did you use the ring?
The way you say make I use am now.
Wait, I'm coming. How do you use am sef?
I do it like this.
Dagunro, no be like that I ask you to use am.
Báwo wá ní kí n ṣe?
No be like that.
Báwo ní kí n ṣe wá ṣe?
Wàá gbá láti ilẹ̀ lọ sókè, kì í ṣe látòkè wálẹ̀. Wàá gbá láti ilẹ̀ lọ sókè.
Like this?
Like that. Lọ sókè. Bó ṣe jẹ́ kó lò ó nìyẹn. Ó bà ní kò bàjẹ́.
I dey go.
Tó o bá lọ, ó yà wèrè ni o. You go run mad. Òwò fẹ́ kó níwájú àwọn ìyá.
Ó yà wèrè.
Ó lé lọ. Jẹ́ kí n wò ó. Bóyá àtúnṣe tún lè wà. Ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ láti.
This man again.
Fine girl.
You don't have sense. What happened? What are you doing here?
Yeah, you cannot fight now. Please come out, come out. Please, I beg
Come
you.
and do what?
Come now. Me and you cannot fight. See.
I'm outside. What do you want?
I beg you. Wetin I dey tell you since all this day? Suppose to pardon me now. Make I just enter for one chance.
You don't even have a single sense like this. It not belongs to you. What is your problem?
Àgbàlagbà.
Àgbàlagbà. Who is Àgbàlagbà? You are Àgbàlagbà. You don't respect yourself now. You are a useless man. All your mates, they are where they are looking for what to eat. You are here walking around about woman. You don't have sense, so stay there and wait for me. I will show you now. You don't have sense.
Omini.
Ayé máa bàjẹ́ ní àgbà òṣì àgbàlagbà àgbà wọn. Wọ́n máa fi ẹja àwọ̀ tó jẹ́ náà nà mí. Ṣé àtọ̀tọ̀ ni?
Hey, ọ̀rẹ́. Tó báyìí ní pẹ̀lẹ́. How your body now?
My body dey I no get myself.
Wait now.
I no get myself, my friend.
And because of you, I go church. I explain to my pastor. So my pastor said I should give you this water. So if you take it, the thing will wash. Yeah, no go try it.
Let this boy there.
Wetin be that?
Help me bring share for you
don't worry.
now.
Let me go and take it by myself.
Thank you, my friend.
Sorry, Sorry.
Thank you, my
So
friend.
you don't eat?
Can't eat again now.
So you will try it, ba? You will drink it. Hey! Try it again. Try it. Try. Try it. So the thing no go.
My friend, this water cannot go down again. I beg, help me.
Jesus,
help me. Take me to my father.
Go village with that.
I'll go. Take me to my father, I beg. I want to go and meet my father.
So we go arrange for motor be that now. So I should go and look for motor.
Yes,
so
my
we'll come
friend.
and carry you to village.
Thank you.
So,
God bless you for me.
Pẹ̀lẹ́. Wo tó ṣe yìí bí mo ṣe ń wo yìí
ìṣojú lásán jẹ́ ń bá wọn nílẹ̀ lórí ń bá wọn ní gbólóhùn. ọ̀yẹ̀là 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 tá a bá fọmọ lójú aríran.
Road 3, yes, this is the house.
Ah! Ah! Àbíkẹ́ bọ́lá tí lélẹ̀ yìí ta lélẹ̀ yìí tó fi mọ́gùn sí ọlá.
wọ́n máa ń tẹ̀lé mi kí ni onítúnjẹ́ mọ́gùn bá mi.
ọjà náà ń ta ṣe kù. iná tá a bá já fẹ́yẹ gúnugún ẹyẹ mi la fi sun ẹnu lẹ́sẹ̀ fi pèkúrò ojú ọ̀nà tábà láàmú ẹni ọ̀la láàmú. ẹbọ ní pẹlẹbọ àṣàsí ní palásàsí padà síbi tó ti ń bọ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́ ọmọ mi wọ́n mọ mọ́tò wọ́n mọ bàbá rẹ ni ó yá gbé mu ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ bá ń fún mu gbẹ fún kó mu yóò mu tán ni o yanyan iṣẹ́ tí ń dáhùn lọ́hùn ọmọ tèmi àpènà ni wọ́n ṣe irú eléyìí sí ara rẹ̀ ó balẹ̀ sìn á lè fara rẹ̀ lélẹ̀ báyìí ọmọ àpènà.
ẹ̀gbọ́n ìwé láti jojo ẹ.
How are you?
ìwé láti jojo ẹ.
Me, I no dey around.
You no dey around. You no hear
I
about your
even dey look for my friend now.
Your friend don sick o. Very ara wọn yàdé bíi pé
kí ló
wo ara tó fẹ́ lò fún ẹ ní mo lọ gbà ọ. Ọlọ́run
ní gbogbo ló wà.
Wọ́n wà lé wọn náà.
Mo ti lọ lé tó ń gbé tẹ́lẹ̀ mi ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
Wọ́n ti kó bẹ́ẹ̀ ń wà lé wọn báyìí.
Dagunro, I no dey around since now. I travel.
Where you go?
I no dey. I go see my family for village.
You don't leave me.
Now this man even come dey tell me say you know where.
Help me to thank your friend. Your friend try.
God go bless you.
You will try for me.
How be issue of time? If I tell you that day for Babalo, you dey follow married woman. Because of that thing, you won't break my head with bottle. See what's happen to you now?
Just forgive me.
See.
Forgive me, please.
Abadaguro,
Forgive me.
You don't help yourself, oh.
Help me, please. I want to tell you something.
Wetin be that?
Help me to beg Abike.
Abike? Wetin happen between you and Abike again?
I put something for her to cross.
Daguro, because of woman.
I use ring. Knocking yash.
So now wetin you do be this? You say make I go collect wetin you go use for your sickness come.
Mo we use whether I go work now. Give me.
Abadaguro.
No go. Daguro. Take Daguro.
This man later die yo.
So, you now see, all of you, that are never satisfied with whatever you have. I pity your results. Whatever God gives to you, He knows is what belongs to you. But if you are not okay by it, my friend, you will regret your next actions.